Hello guys, welcome again, and here is another video from Primeside. Here I'll be making my foaming sugar scrub with lemon, and it's really beautiful to be used on the face and on the body, and I usually use this at night. If you want to see how I make this, let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to be measuring my lemon oil. As you can see, this lemon zest are still infusing. I have infused this for more than 12 weeks. 12 weeks, and it's still infusing. It has this fresh lemon smell. So I'm going to be using this lemon oil, and I'm just going to be measuring 20 grams of my lemon extract into this. I'll also be going in with my emulsifier. Here I'll be using emulsifying wax, and I'm going to be adding 10 grams of emulsifying wax into my lemon extract oil. I'm not going to be using any thickener like cetyl alcohol because I want a creamy and fluffy kind of scrub. So I'm just gonna melt this on a double boiler and bring it right back when the waxes are completely melted. I'm going to set this aside and let it cool on its own. I'm not going to use a refrigerator whatsoever, and I'll bring it right back when it's completely cooled. I'm getting my hand mixer, and I'm just going to mix this just a little. After mixing very slightly, I'm going to go ahead to measuring my surfactant into it. Remember, it's a foaming scrub, so we have to have something that should make it foam. So I'm going to add my cocoa betaine into this. You can substitute this with any kind of mild surfactant as well, something that can cause our body scrub to lather. I'm going to mix this really slowly because I do not want it to start foaming. Remember that we have a surfactant in there already. So I'm just going to mix it slightly and make sure of this creamy feel and look. After this, I'm just going to go ahead to measure in my sugar, and I have a total of 140 grams of white granulated sugar, and then I'm going to mix this gently afterwards. Remember not to mix too much because your sugar may think that you want to bake and then it may start dissolving. Okay, but ordinarily your sugar should not dissolve in oil, but if you whip too much, you may want to dissolve. So don't whip too much, and don't whip really fast too. It looks like I'm whipping fast. That's because this video is on fast forward, and I just want to make the video really short. If not, I'm not whipping as fast as you can see in this video. I'm whipping it very slowly. Okay, so I'll go ahead to add my vitamin E oil, which is my antioxidant. I'll add my lemon essential oil. This is a lemon scrub actually, so I'm adding my lemon essential oil. Add my fragrance, and then I'll go ahead to add a little yellow mica to represent the yellow color that lemon has. Okay, so and then I'm just going to give this a slight whip again to incorporate the recently added ingredients. Also add your preservative, like 0.1 grams into this. 1 grams of your preservative. This is because your scrub will be used in the bathroom, and it may have water contaminations and thereby start growing microorganisms. But if you're using it for a very short period of time, you may not want to add a preservative. Okay, so yeah, I'm whipping my sugar scrub, and as you can see how creamy and fluffy it is. And I think I like the consistency this way. My scrub is perfect already. So for beauty's sake, I'm going to be going ahead to add my sugar sprinkles. This is the sprinkles used for cake, so it's purely sugar and safe as well. So I'm just going to add this for beauty's sake, and then get my container, transfer my yummy body scrub into my container, and voila, our body scrub is ready. This body scrub is can be used for face and body, but because of the lemon content in it, I'd advise that it used at night to prevent the occurrence of sunburn. But it actually will help to brighten the skin, remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and help to give the skin a good radiant glow. I'm adding some more beautiful sugar sprinkles on it to enhance the beauty of my scrub. You love it already, right? So before you can use this, make sure that you wet your skin. If you don't wet your skin, make sure that you have little water added to it so that it can lather and so that it can efficiently plug out the dirt and the dead cells of the skin. So this is quite moisturizing to use more than the normal scrub. So you can choose to try this and then give me a feedback. I'm currently using the scrub right now, and you know that I don't hype things, but trust me, allow me to hype this body scrub. It was really excellent. If you have any questions, do what to drop on the comment section. Please do what to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you can always get my posts whenever I make them. You can follow us on the social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook, to always get daily tips and DIYs for your skin. And really want to say thank you for stopping by to watch this video. I appreciate y'all, old subbies and new subbies, and I also wish to see you in my next video. For now, take care and bye.